Hello everyone, this is Nandi.
Hi, I'm Lily.
Today we will introduce a new product. This Tealight candles. Tealight candles. Lily, why it called Tealight candles?
Because for this tea light candle, it usually used for warming tea in the last days. But now it usually used for home decoration, church use, and some parties, wedding decorations. So it called tea light candle.
Yes, as I know, it have three parts. Can you introduce the three parts for our customer?
Yes. For this small tea light candle, you can see the outside is the aluminum cup, and the inside it's the material paraffin wax.
Paraffin wax.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is a wick. 100% cotton wick. This is the three part of the tea light candle.
Wow. I think this 100 cotton wick is smokeless.
Yes,
right?
yes.
I want to know how many hours can it burning?
This one burning time from 3 hours to 8 hours, and the popular burning time is the 4 hours and 8 hours. Even it is very small tea light candles, but it is in big energy. Its burning time longest can reach 8 hours.
Yes, it can burn in very long time.
Yes.
And I want to know the packaging.
For this packaging, in Nadi's hand is the box pack. This one is 15 pieces in one box pack. And we also have other packs like the shrink pack. And this one is 100 pieces inside. And for this box pack, we also do some customer logo, some customer printing, and the colors.
Any words if you want to add?
Yes.
And if you don't like this packaging, you also can design your own packaging.
Yes, we all can accept or do some design for you.
Yes, if you like it, and please buy it from our in Candle Factory.
Yes.
Okay,
Bye.